Hey guys, today on Disaster Piece Garage, we're doing front sway bar end links. I ran a little issue where I was hearing clunking sound coming from the front left, wasn't sure what it was, checked out the top hats, all that fun stuff. Turns out the sway bar end link boot was tore, and that'll cause the noise. So, Airlift sells them in a pair, which is great. They're only 60 bucks for the pair. They're meant for my car specifically. They're not adjustable, which has plus and minuses, and that's up to you guys to figure out what you want out of it. White Line actually sells a universal adjustable kit for 55 bucks, but I didn't want to deal with the hassle of adjusting or figuring things out, so I just want this route. Right off the bat, you're going to want to lift the front end of the car up off the ground, both tires, because you'll run into a binding issue if one wheel's still on the ground and you only lift the other. So both wheels off ground, no binding, no tension. You're going to need a 19mm wrench and a 6mm Allen tool. I've got one for a ratchet to make the job a little easier. We're just going to take the wheels off and send it. Okay, so here's the culprit. It's tore open, it's making noise. You can see it's mounted tightly, no issues. So we're gonna replace them out. It's making some noise, it's no bueno. Now, curious, because these are a different color than the ones that I just got. So hopefully everything's still the same size. If not, I'll update. Alright, so we're going to come in with the 19mm. Can't really get a great fit on it. And then come with the 6mm Allen. You know what? This is taking too long. Use a power. Yeah, that's way better. It's 2019. Use power tools. Yeah, screw that guy. And then this will come right out. And then you can do the bottom ones. Same way. Okay, so the bottom one, come from underneath to get the wrench on it, and it's going to tight in here. So sorry about my arm. And then I think I might have had that wrong. I did. Alright, so the bottom one is a little difficult to get to. With the bottom one, come in from the wrench, or come in with the wrench from the bottom, and then the Allen from the top. And I think my battery died. There you have it. Maybe. Come on. It'll come right out if I can find it. There it is. Got it. Alright, now that the old one's out, you can put the new one in. I'm going with the top first. Then I'm going to thread the nut on. Maybe it's... There we go. Same thing with the bottom. Put it in. Thread it on. Maybe. And then you go ahead and tie it down. So it's getting a little personal. I think the battery's dying on this, but it's not hard. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, don't do that. Use an extension. Jeez. What am I thinking? My extensions. That's what I'm thinking. There we go. Yeah, the battery's definitely dying on that one. But that's okay. I have elbow grease. And there you have it. It's really that simple. Now I'm going to finish playing around with my airbag level. Been messing with that. Trying to get it dialed completely in, but it's just a little teaser for things to come. Okay, so we've got a nice side-by-side comparison of the two. And you can see that's pretty messed up. Moves around pretty easily, which isn't really a horrible thing, but it's ripped open, so it's losing grease. Now the new one, it's actually kind of difficult to move. Yeah, Maybe I'm just really weak, I don't know. But yeah, so way better condition. And make sure when you're installing the new ones, take the blue caps off. I did not forget to do it, so I didn't run into an issue. But it's usually stupid little things like that that get you in trouble. So, yeah. Take it off. Super simple job. 2 nuts, bam, done. Something to consider, the nut stays normal as far as threads go, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If you're going from the Allen, it's the opposite of that. It's kind of reverse threaded, kind of not, but it's the motion. Real simple job. All I got left to do is put my wheel back on and do the other side. No point in showing you all that because it might be a little boring seeing the same job done twice in the same video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, guys.